Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to cover 3 simple steps to master the around the world. Starting off, we're going to have Coach V help us. She normally would go with the outside of her foot like this. I normally would tend to go inward, but I'm going to try to get her to see if we can master it within this short amount of time. For the first step, we're going to go ahead and keep it easy. We're just going to bounce the ball, go around it, and see if we have enough speed to move on to step 2. So it's going to be bounce, around, back to our hand. With that, I'm just using my toe to bring the ball back after I go around it. So it's going to be like this. But around, use that toe, bring it back to my hands. Let's see, Coach V.
Okay.
Try to see if we can do it.
Bounce around, back to my hands.
Yes. Let's go 5 times. Nice. Last one. Excellent work. All right. She passed. Now she's ready for step 2. For step number 2, we're going to want to go and bounce the ball, make contact with her foot. The side of her foot, for me, is going to be the inside here. I want it to backspin here, be able to go around and meet it before it hits the ground. So it's going to be like this. Bounce, side, and then try to go around, all right? It's going to look like, maybe not even like that yet. When you start, you might not even make contact because you're going to try to skim this part. Plenty of times when I try to advance and get better, I would definitely miss. I'd go here and I wouldn't even hit it. I'd be trying to barely hit it and it wouldn't be there. So don't be upset if that's how you look at first, but I'm going to continue it. So I'm going to bounce, hit the edge, and go around. All right, now I'm going to lock in and actually do it for real. All right, now we're going to have Coach V see if she can get it. Like I said, she's new to this style specifically, so it's going to be like she's beginning as well. So I can talk her through the things that might be happening to those who are starting as well. Bounce. Nice. Yeah, bounce. Just get some contact though. Nice, that's better. So yeah, don't be afraid to get some contact, guys. I know you're gonna feel like you have to barely hit it perfectly. Just get contact at first, and then I'd rather you over hit it than under hit it, and then just less and less each time. Nice, very close. So if you guys are looking like that, ooh, super close. Yes, it's very close right now. Ooh, it was right there. Nice. So if you guys are getting that in, you know you're close to getting it down.
Okay, I'm ready for level 3.
All right, not quite. She didn't master it yet, but I think we go to level 3 for the sake of showing you guys, all right? So once you're that close and you start having success each and every time, level 3 is next. Level 3 is that test. Can we do it from just having the ball on the ground, juggling, and just making the right contact and going around? So it's no different than finding that touch when we're bouncing it, no different than making sure we hit it right and go around. Just making sure those juggles are not too high at first, just so we can get some repetition. So just keep it low, start here, juggle, make sure the touches are good. Once that touch is all right, boom, I'm waiting for it, no, 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 yeah, and then we try it. You're really just waiting for that one that you feel like the timing is right, and then we can go ahead and try to make that minimal contact here, but enough to backspin it, and then we're going around that ball. Ooh, close.
Ah.
Nice.
Ah. Your turn.
Oh, this is really close, and guys, she just started doing this way today, really, so just putting those reps.
Perfect.